Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Ghofran. I'm happy you are here today. This is an A1 English listening practice lesson. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's lesson. Today's topic is social media. Many people use social media every day. It's a big part of our daily lives. People use it to learn, talk to friends, share photos, or watch videos. I also use social media, but I try to use it in a good and healthy way. There are many social media apps. Some people enjoy watching short videos, some people like sharing photos, others enjoy reading interesting posts or following their favorite creators. Everyone uses social media in a different way. One of my favorite things about social media is learning. I can watch English lessons, cooking videos, travel videos, and many other useful topics. I think it's wonderful that we can learn something new every day. Sometimes I watch short English videos. I learn new words and useful expressions. I also practice my listening by watching simple English content. This helps me improve little by little. Social media also helps people stay in touch. I can send messages to my friends and family. I can share happy moments with them. Even if they live far away, we can still talk and see each other online. That's very special. However, I think it's important to use social media wisely. Sometimes people spend many hours looking at their phones. They forget to enjoy the real world around them. Too much screen time is not good for our eyes or our health. That's why I try to take breaks. I like going for a walk, reading a book, or spending time with my family. These activities help me relax. When I use social media, I also try to follow positive people. I enjoy watching videos that teach me something useful. I don't like content that makes people feel sad or angry. I believe we should choose content that helps us grow and become better. Another important thing is being kind online. We should always use polite words. We should respect other people and their opinions. A kind comment can make someone's day better. Before I post a photo or write a comment, I always think carefully. I ask myself, is this kind? Is this helpful? I think this is a good habit. Sometimes I put my phone away for a few hours. I enjoy the quiet time. I can read, study, exercise, or simply relax. It makes me feel happy and refreshed. For me, social media is a useful tool. It can help us learn, communicate, and discover new ideas. But I believe balance is very important. Enjoy social media, but also enjoy your real life. Spend time with your family. Talk to your friends. Go outside, read a book, learn something new every day. Small habits can make a big difference. Thank you for listening today. I hope you enjoyed this English listening practice. Now I have a question for you. What do you like to watch on social media? Write your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Ghofran, and join me for more easy English listening lessons. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye!